Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'm here to tell you that no, your favourite music making app that uses inter-app audio isn't suddenly going to stop working when Apple launch iPadOS. Apple held its annual worldwide developer conference a few days ago, and it was mostly fantastic. Afterwards, beta versions of iOS 13 and iPadOS were released to members of the Apple Developer Program, along with release notes. Buried in these release notes is a list of features that are being deprecated in iOS 13 and iPadOS, including inter-app audio. This info was then shared on social media by some developers, most notably by Matthew Fecker and the team at AudioKit. Their tweets were then shared by other outlets, some giddy at the chance to get on the hype train and share the news, albeit wrapped up in a thick layer of hyperbole and a little bit of clickbait. Yeah, sorry about that. So what does all this mean? Firstly, it doesn't mean that come iOS 13/iPadOS release day, all your apps that use inter-app audio to communicate with other apps are suddenly going to stop working. Tim Cook isn't going to press a big red inter-app audio destruct button that will suddenly brick all your IAA apps. In fact, I reached out to AudioKit directly on Twitter to confirm this. Can you please confirm that Tim Cook doesn't have a big red button in his office marked Kill IAA, that he is going to push on iPadOS launch day to instantaneously brick all apps that use inter-app audio? Cheers. And then they replied with this. Top bants, guys. So this is in the developer notes for a reason. It's a statement of intent. Yes, it looks like Apple planned to deprecate inter-app audio at some point, and maybe sooner rather than later, but by letting app developers know that it's on the horizon, they are giving them time to update existing apps and letting them know to create new ones in audio unit format. So everybody just take a moment to breathe and relax. It's all gonna be okay. Don't worry. In my opinion, the phasing out of inter-app audio is a good thing. You probably know my feelings on inter-app audio already. I spent a whole bloody video waxing lyrical about how AUV3 is just better. You can click the card in the top right corner to check that out, and I'll put a link in the description as well. I want to hear your thoughts on this though. Leave me a comment below and let me know how you feel about the slow death of inter-app audio and apps which you're looking forward to being updated to Audio Unit version 3. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.